So welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Dr. Martens. I am so excited to have these shoes. I've been wanting these shoes for some time now, and I finally went out and got them, so I'm just going to jump right into the video and show you guys the unboxing. So I went to the Dr. Martens store and got these, and I'm so excited to have them. We don't have a Dr. Martens back home, so I had to wait till I got to DC to go to the store and try them on and actually buy them. So here they are, live and in the flesh. And when you open the box, it gives you a cute little memo about when Dr. Martens first started, and then you get this styrofoam layer on top of it. And then the shoes. And here they are in all their glory. If I can open it, yeah. So here's the shoe. This is the Dr. Marten Jaden style boot, fur lined. A little background about this style. I chose this style for a plethora of reasons, honestly. I love the platform. That was the main seller for me. I'm a really petite girl, so the thought of being 1.5 inches taller, you got me there. So I love that about the shoe. And it's got this cute little zipper on the side. No. Okay, so first I want to talk about the style of the shoe. It is the fur-lined Jaden boot. So that is like the classic Jaden style, except it has a soft leather on it. It is fur-lined, of course, which I think is lovely. And it has a platform. The platform's a little shorter. It's like 1.5 inches versus the original's 1 3/4 inch. But I love the platform because I am very petite and it makes me feel so much taller. And I really chose the shoe because I like the soft leather look. The classic one has that smooth polish, and to me it looks a little too edgy. Not quite my style, but I did like the soft leather look of the fur-lined one, so I got that. That was one of the factors that made me buy it. And of course the fur-lined, I think that was the biggest seller for me. Number one, because the fur-lined shoe, well, let's backtrack. If you are familiar with Dr. Martens, or maybe you're not, the sizing can be a little weird in the different styles of shoe. So for the classics, they say order your normal shoe size. I'm a size 6.5, sometimes 7, and they only do whole sizes, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and onwards. And I was a little concerned because when I tried on the classics, they were a little roomy, like they fit, but my foot still had a lot of room. That's mainly because I have a narrow foot, and I didn't really like that. I know you're supposed to wear a thick sock, and I had a thick sock on when I tried it on, but it still felt a little too roomy. But what I liked about the fur-lined boot was I could get the same style, same height, and all that, but the fur kind of acts like a half size filler. So when you stick your foot in, the fur takes up a little bit more space, and to me, it kind of hugged my foot in a comfortable way that I like. You know, I didn't feel like I was, you know, when shoes are just too big, they kind of, you have to lug them around or drag them, and they just get a little heavy. I don't like that at all, but with the fur-lined boot, I didn't experience that feeling, so that was really what kind of sold me. So I did get the 6, and so it fits me perfectly. Like I said, my normal size is a 6.5, and the shoe also has a zipper on it, so you don't have to unzip your shoe, untie it all the time. I mean, you could, but I choose not to. And when I was in the store, the lady was so sweet. She was letting me try on all the different styles. She was like, I want you to be 1000% sure that you love the shoes before I let you buy them. So I tried on a couple different styles. I tried on the 5, which was way too small, and I tried on the 6, which was a perfect fit, and we laced them up. And she was saying if you like a tighter feel around the ankle, because I was telling her about my narrow feet, she was like, if you like a tighter feel around the ankle, you can just tie the shoestrings around the ankle part of the shoe, which, I mean, yes, it does give you a tighter feel when we did it in the store, but I don't like doing that because I think that's low-key tacky. I feel like you're just choking your shoe. I don't like that look. But if that's what you're going for, you know, efficiency over style, then that's the way to go. And as for the breaking in process, I know a lot of Dr. Marten, I watched a lot of Dr. Marten videos, and they were saying that you had to break in the shoe, walk around in it, wear thick socks, or giving all these little hacks about how you can break them in without getting blisters or anything. I didn't experience that at all. The shoe was just perfect. It was like a little Cinderella slipper. It was the perfect fit and everything. The soft leather, I feel like, is really what causes it to not have to be broken in as much, if at all, because like I said, in my experience, feel like I'm not breaking them in. Of course, I'm gonna wear them and over time they will adjust to my foot, but I don't think I need that initial new shoe break-in period. And then as for the prices of the Doc Martens, these shoes are originally $190, which is pretty steep. The original Jadens, they're $180. And the original shoe, especially the black one, does not go on sale. It's always excluded from promotions. They never have any coupon codes. It's just never on sale. No matter what website you go to, it's just so hard to find a good sale. And me, I'm an online shopper. I like to get cash back. I like to get coupons. I just don't feel comfortable paying full price for an item. So I scoured the internet all Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all through Christmas, and I just wasn't having any luck until I finally discovered the Furline shoe, which was a lifesaver because although it's $10 more, it's eligible for all the promo codes and the discounts. And I use my Student Universe account, which if you don't have that and you're a college student, you should definitely get one. It's like top 10. It's super cool. I love it. So I got 10%, no, not 10, I got 15% off in store. And yeah, which brought my total down to $171. I think the shoe was like $160 and then you got to tax it up, so it was like $171, something like that. But yeah, I was so excited. So if you are interested in a pair of Doc Martens, I would definitely say be patient, watch the sales, and see if you can kind of compromise like I did and still end up with what you want. Because I'm in love with these shoes. I love them so much. And I love them. They don't even look goofy on me. You know, at first when I was trying them on, I thought they would look like little clown shoes on my narrow feet, but they don't. They 10 out of 10. The only thing I will say that I do not like about these shoes, I do not like how the fur spills over the top of the boot. You know, when I'm wearing my thing, it's like these white little fur pieces kind of stick out. I'm probably going to end up trimming those down a little bit because I just don't like the way it just leans all the way over like that. But other than that, I love these shoes. And yeah, that's pretty much it about all these shoes. If you have any more questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment box. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.